Ambunge matiganĩte kuma icigo ngũrani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩmatetete gũcerithĩrio gwa kĩgĩna gĩa CDF makiuga tabarĩra nyingĩ nĩ irũgamĩte.
Tunaomba serikali ya Kenya pesa ya CDF iongezwe.
Maybe to how much?
Yes, 5%. It will see a big difference. To multiply by 2 what we have, this country will change. I can tell you for free. Kwa maana pesa ya CDF inakuja kuanzia Nairobi ikikuja specifically for a project. Kama hii imekuwa approved from Nairobi kwa ofisi ya chief. Si kama ile nyingine ambayo iko kwa kunia ambao unaingiza mkono na kutumia vile naipenda. Lakini ya CDF is so structured. Kama ni ya shule fulani inakuja ya hiyo shule. Na yes iko diverted.
Mĩario ĩno marĩrĩirie marĩ mwena wa Naivasha hĩndĩ ya gũthũrima tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere na iria ithondeketwo kũgerera kĩgĩna-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Tunataka kuwapongeza kamati ya Naivasha kwamba wameweza kufikia makampuni mbalimbali hapa kama makampuni ya maua hapa ili waweze kuungana pamoja kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba shule zetu na huduma mbalimbali kama usalama tunaweza kujitahidi kuweza kukimu mahitaji ya wananchi.
Oho ambunge aya nĩmendekithĩtie kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩkorwo gĩkĩongererwo na gĩcunjĩ gĩa 5% nĩguo kũhotithia ambunge aya kũrĩkĩrĩria tabarĩra mahinda-inĩ marĩa mabatiĩ, amu ũnyihu wa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩgĩkoretwo gĩgĩcũngĩrĩria wagi wa kũhingĩra mũingĩ maũndũ-inĩ marĩa mendekithĩtie.
As we talk now, constituencies have received a total of about 9 million. Out of the 137 million shillings set for every constituent. So at the end of the day, the expectation from the communities is not met, So we are urging the Treasury to release the funds as quickly as possible, because this is the only fund that will get into the common man as quickly as possible. The kids that are in the villages that want to go to school, they are waiting for bursaries. The agony because of the issues of corona are just at home. If they release the funds on time, it will assist our children to go back to school. It will assist the members of parliament and their teams to make sure that we have classrooms for our children.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩmaugĩte kuma kĩng'ũki gĩkĩ gĩa corona kĩingĩre bũrũri-inĩ, maũndũ maingĩ matũũra-inĩ nĩmarũgamĩte ta waki wa ũthii wa na mbere, amu thirikari yambire kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya kũhũrana na mũrimũ ũyũ.
Most of us, we've been to some few classrooms that the numbers are waning. You cannot have a class with 145 students and yet you expect good results and at the same time expect that we address the issue of COVID-19. For us to address the same, please Treasury release the funds on time. CS, responsibility is on your side. We are urging you to release the funds as quickly as possible.
Rĩu ambunge na atongoria nĩmoretio makorwo makĩhũthĩra kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩa CDF wega, no ĩndĩ ti kũhonia nda ciao.
Hiyo shida mnasikia, those challenges bado ziko na nyingi, kutuma pesa na kama tone inakuja kidogo kidogo, watoto bado wanalia, wanataka basari, lakini sisi kama kamati tumejitahidi sana na watu wa Naivasha wanajua ya kwamba sisi pesa yao tunaweka vizuri, tunafanyia kazi mzuri na tutaendelea hivyo na tushukuru sana kufikiliwa na kampuni na bunge na bodi yenyewe wakafika hapa.
Handũ-inĩ ha Gĩkũyũ TV gĩkũmathĩra na mohoro mũkũiko rĩakwa nĩ Joe Kariuki.